Oh, yeah. Happy Monday. Hopefully you had an awesome weekend. I know we did. We got a lot of great stuff going on here at Wildfire Fitness, and we'd love to see you in here. So we're always here to help. We got classes from 5 a.m. all the way till 7:30 p.m. Monday through Friday. It's classes on the weekends, Saturdays, Sundays. Come on in and have some fun with us. We're here to help whatever you need to get your fitness going the right way. So whether you're getting it started, you're keeping it going, or just taking it to the next level, we've got something for you. And we're going to start with the Burn at Home workout for Monday. So for the warm-up today, we've got 3 rounds of 20 jumping jacks, 5 down up dog stretch, 10 dead bugs, and then 5 inchworms. So starting off with those jumping jacks, get the arms and legs moving together, really get that heart rate up, go fast on these. Whole purpose is to get that blood flowing. If you need to take it back a notch and get that impact out of it, then just do a stepping back and forth each time, or even just do a jump up and down and get those legs going, and that'll take away some of the pressure on the knees too. Then after the 20 jumping jacks, 5 down up dog stretch, get into that down dog, really bicycle those heels to the ground, get that head through the window, and then push those hips into the ground, chest away, really get that core worked out. And so just back and forth on these. And especially that first round, take it nice and easy. If you need to do this from more of a platform, you can also do the same thing. Get that good stretch, and then push the hips in. A chair, front of the couch, whatever you need there. Next, we've got 10 dead bugs. On that dead bug, you're going to be flat on your back, and you're going to be bringing your right arm to your left leg, and then your left arm to your right leg. And you're really working on keeping your back flat to the ground the entire time. Again, this is mostly just a stretch here, back and forth. If you need to do it from more of a standing position, you'll just go back and forth the same way from a standing position, keeping the arms and legs as straight as possible and reaching as far as you can. Finally, we've got 5 inchworms. So on that inchworm, start from standing, and you're gonna walk those arms out as far as you can, do a push-up, and then walk those feet back into the arms, and then turn around and go the other way. Same thing, do that push-up, and then walk them in. If you need to do that push-up from your knees, that's fine, whatever you need to do. You can also do this from a platform, but on this one, you'll start out and you'll walk those feet in, then do that push-up, and then walk those feet back out a little bit. Again, the whole point with that warm-up is just to get moving, get loose. So whatever you need to do to make it work, the best range of motion is what you've got today. Tomorrow it'll get a little bit better. So that's the warm-up. 3 rounds, 20 jumping jacks, 5 down up dog stretch, 10 dead bugs, and then 5 inchworm. For the workout, we've got a 15-minute AMRAP, as many rounds as possible in 15 minutes. You're going to be doing 1 minute of running in place, or do about a 200-meter run. So if you've got a good area around your house to be able to run, go for it, and just find that approximate distance, or go about 30 seconds out and then 30 seconds back. But we want that run to be about a minute long. If you're just doing it in place, stay on those toes the entire time and just keep it moving. After the 1 minute of run in place, we've got 10 lemon squeezers, 10 push-ups, and 15 air squats. So on that run in place, we do want to just keep it going, set that clock for either a minute, or with that 15-minute AMRAP, just watch the time. If you want to make it a little bit more intense, go faster and really get those knees up the entire time for that 1 minute. If you need to take out the impact, then just do more of a standing march and just get your knees up about halfway each time. They don't need to come all the way up to be a high knee, but just keep those feet moving. After the 1 minute of run in place, we've got 10 lemon squeezers. So from that hollow position, really squeezing, bringing the knees into the chest, reaching for the heels, and then right back out again. Just keep that motion going. You can also do the lemon squeezer from a seated position where you're bringing your knees into your chest and then letting it go each time. After the 10 lemon squeezers, we've got 10 push-ups. So you're going to be on your hands right underneath your shoulders, get all the way down, bring those elbows back behind, and then push away. If you need to go from your knees, same thing. Again, if you're starting from your knees, definitely start flat on the ground and push away, and that'll help you keep the torso straight the entire time. And then, of course, you need that raised platform. It's the same thing right in here. Finally, we've got 15 air squats. So feet are about shoulder width apart. Push those hips back and down and keep that chest up. And so get that good range of motion, hip crease below parallel of the knee with every rep. And that's really going to put it in the glutes and the hamstrings where we want it. You can also, if you need to do this from a seated position, just sit down and stand up each time, or hold on to something, a door frame, something solid that's not going to move, and this will just help you decrease the resistance a little bit on those air squats. So 15 minutes, as many rounds as possible, 1 minute of run in place, 10 lemon squeezers, 10 push-ups, and 15 air squats. Go fast, go hard, have fun, get as many rounds as you can, and do me a favor, share this one with a friend. If you've got friends, family that you know that want to get started working out, they're just not sure what to do, send them this video, send them a link. You can also send them to our YouTube page. And as always, we're here to help. So thanks a lot, guys. Have a great Monday. Enjoy your week. Coach Skip signing off, and we'll have another one for you tomorrow. Have a great day.